Today is Wednesday, November 9th, 2022, and this is your Bitcoin news. Unfortunately, our prior newsreader is out of the office today. He will return in a few days. Let's get started. Binance signed a non-binding letter of intent to acquire FTX on Tuesday, and then backed out of its offer on Wednesday amid due diligence. The multi-billion-dollar token that collateralized FTX and Alameda Research, FTT, has declined by over 90% this week. FTX lost billions of dollars worth of collateral yesterday, suspended withdrawals, and at one point was trying to raise a $5 billion emergency round of financing in the middle of Tuesday. By the afternoon, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried relented to the panic and agreed to be acquired by its competitor, Binance. Within a day, Binance backed out of its offer, explaining today, quote, "As a result of corporate due diligence, as well as the latest news reports regarding mishandled customer funds and alleged U.S. agency investigations, we have decided that we will not pursue the potential acquisition of FTX.com." End quote. On Tuesday, Binance founder CZ had already ordered the liquidation of hundreds of millions of dollars worth of FTT tokens that Binance held prior to yesterday's deal announcement, sparking rumors that FTX and Alameda Research were insolvent. Terms of the deal were not disclosed. The deal would not have affected Binance.US nor FTX.US, which are separate companies from Binance.com and FTX.com, respectively. Amid the multi-billion industry meltdown, the price of Bitcoin has declined 20% this week. Germany's Federal Financial Supervisory Authority has ordered Coinbase Germany to fix organizational deficiencies. The Federal Financial Supervisory Authority found the deficiencies during an audit of Coinbase finances as submitted in Germany. The German Banking Act requires businesses like Coinbase to have adequate risk management mechanisms and emergency management mechanisms, as well as maintain adequate staff. Venture capital firm Paradigm has launched a so-called Crypto Policy Council. Paradigm invited current and former members of Congress like Paul Ryan and Steve Israel to join the council. The Financial Action Task Force may add more countries to its gray list of countries that it believes should improve anti-money laundering and counterterrorism funding-related oversight. Countries on the gray list are subject to increased monitoring by the U.S. Treasury's Financial Action Task Force. The task force particularly expressed concern about digital asset businesses. Thanks for listening to the Bitcoin News Show. Subscribe to the Bitcoin News Show on YouTube and follow us on Apple Podcasts and Spotify to stay up to date on the latest Bitcoin news. See you tomorrow.